Light for Lungs technology could impact in the lung chronic infections, which cannot be healed quickly or at all by using antibiotics. So Light for Lungs, based on photodynamic therapy, proposes the use of visible light that has persistent emission over time to kill the bacteria in the human lungs. So the idea is to use very small particles with emission light properties and introduce them into the lungs patient by using an inhaler. So the expectations from this project is to contribute with novel research findings and innovation practices.